Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing on the components of an information system. The information system, or IS simply, is a combination of people, process, technology, and data that work together to collect, process, store, and disseminate information within an organization. So these components are not isolated, they interact and depend on each other to enable organization to achieve their goals. Understanding these components is crucial for designing, implementing, and managing effective information system. So the first one is the people. People are crucial component of any information system. So they include end user who interact with the system, who manage and maintain it, developers who design and build it, and other stakeholders who rely on the system's output. People contribute to every stage of the information systems life cycle, from design and implement to maintenance and management. As an example, in a university information system, students use the system to register for courses, faculty input grades, and IT staffs ensure the systems run smoothly. Second one is process. Process represents the workflow, procedure, and activities involved in the operation of an information system. So this includes the tasks like data entry, processing, storage, retrieval, analysis, and dissemination. So the process defines how information flows through the system and how the tasks are executed to achieve the specific objectives. Effective process design and optimization are essential for maximizing the efficiency and productivity of information system. As an example, the process of handling a customer order in an e-commerce system, from order placement to payment, fulfillment, and delivery, is managed by a series of well-defined process. So the next one is the technology. So it refers to the hardware, software, networking components that enable functioning of an information system. So hardware includes computers, servers, storage devices, networking equipment, and peripheral used to process and store data. Software includes operating systems, databases, applications, and middleware that provide a necessary functionality for information processing tasks. So the technology forms a backbone of a modern information system, supporting everything from data storage to communication. As an example, in a hospital, technology includes medical record servers, hospital management software, and secure network connection connecting different departments. And the next is data. So the data is the raw material that is processed and manipulated by a information system. It includes facts, figures, text, images, and multimedia content that are input, stored, processed, and output by the system. So data can be structured like entities in the database or unstructured like emails or images. So effective data management, including the data capture, validation, storage, retrieval, and analysis is critical for ensuring the accuracy, integrity, and usability of information. As an example, in a retail store, sales data is collected at the checkout, stored in the database, and later analyzed to understand the buying trends. The next one is feedback. So feedback is a mechanism to allow information system to retrieve input, monitor performance, and adapt to changing conditions of the user needs. So feedback can come from user systems monitoring tool or performance metrics. It enables organization to assess the effectiveness of their information system, identify the areas for improvement, and make informed decision to optimize performance. As an example, an online learning platform collects feedback from students on course content and system usability, helping administrators to improve the platform and address the student needs. And integrating all these components. So, all these components like people, process, technology, data, and feedback work together in a integrated manner to support the operation and management of information system. So by understanding and addressing the interdependencies between these components, organization can design, implement, and maintain the information system that meet the specific requirement and support their business objectives. As an example, in Blank, the integration of a secured hardware, robust software, a well-trained staff, efficient process, accurate data, and continuous feedback ensures a reliable and safe banking services for customer. So this concludes our overview of the components of an information system. So thank you. We'll meet you in another session. Thank you.